Imagine if you could effortlessly lose weight with just one drink. While this may sound hard to believe, there is a simple beverage that has shown promise in helping people shed pounds when consumed regularly. Picture this: by drinking just one glass of this specially formulated juice before bed, you can lower your fat levels, particularly in the stubborn belly area. If you pair this nightly ritual with a brisk 30-minute cardio workout each morning, you could start seeing noticeable improvements in just a few days. It's not uncommon for fat to accumulate while you sleep. The reason behind this is quite straightforward. During sleep, your body's metabolism slows down, and it doesn't break down materials as efficiently as when you're awake. However, the ingredients in this drink are specifically chosen to boost your metabolism, allowing your body to continue burning fat while you rest. The power of each ingredient. Let's take a closer look at the ingredients that make this drink so effective. Cucumbers. These refreshing vegetables are incredible allies in the fight against fat. A full cucumber contains only about 45 calories and is packed with both fiber and water, two essential components for effective weight loss. The high water content helps keep you hydrated, while fiber promotes feelings of fullness, reducing the likelihood of late-night snacking. Plus, cucumbers have a cooling effect, which enhances the overall taste of the drink. Parsley and cilantro. These herbs are not just for garnishing your dishes, they play a significant role in weight management as well. Both parsley and cilantro are low in calories but high in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. They help combat water retention, which is often a contributor to a bloated stomach. By incorporating these herbs into your drink, you can effectively flatten your belly and feel lighter. Ginger. Known for its numerous health benefits, ginger is another powerful ingredient in this drink. It aids digestion and alleviates constipation, which are crucial factors in fighting unwanted belly fat. By enhancing your body's ability to break down food, ginger can support your weight loss efforts and help you feel more comfortable. Lemon juice. Lemons are not just zesty. They are also fantastic for detoxifying the body. Lemon juice helps flush out toxins that accumulate over time, making it easier for your body to shed excess fat. Additionally, the refreshing flavor of lemon adds a pleasant tang to your drink, making it not just beneficial, but enjoyable. Aloe vera juice. This remarkable juice is full of antioxidants and helps neutralize free radicals that can cause inflammation and bloating. Aloe vera juice also boosts your metabolism, assisting your body in breaking down materials more efficiently. Incorporating aloe vera into your evening routine can lead to noticeable changes in your overall well-being. How to prepare this weight loss drink. Ingredients: 1 lemon, 1 cucumber, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice, a bunch of cilantro or parsley and 1/2 glass of water. Preparation. Start by thoroughly washing all your ingredients to remove any dirt or pesticides. Cut the cucumber into smaller pieces for easier blending. Squeeze the juice from the lemon and set it aside. Combine all the ingredients, including the cucumber, ginger, aloe vera juice, cilantro or parsley, and water in a blender. Blend until the mixture is smooth and well combined. Pour the juice into a glass and enjoy it about 30 minutes before bedtime. Tips for success. To maximize the benefits of this weight loss drink, consider the following tips. 1. Consistency is key. For the best results, make this drink a part of your nightly routine. The more consistent you are, the better your results will be. 2. Hydrate. While this drink will help with weight loss, staying hydrated throughout the day is also crucial. Aim to drink plenty of water alongside this juice. 3. Incorporate cardio. As mentioned, pairing this drink with a cardio workout in the morning can amplify its effects. Activities such as brisk walking, jogging, or cycling for at least 30 minutes can boost your metabolism and enhance fat burning. 4. Balanced diet. Remember that this drink is a supplement to a healthy lifestyle. Maintaining a balanced diet rich in whole foods, lean proteins, and healthy fats will further support your weight loss goals. What to expect? After incorporating this drink into your nightly routine, you may start noticing some positive changes. Many people report feeling lighter and more energetic upon waking. Additionally, you might experience a decrease in bloating and a more defined waistline. Conclusion: incorporating this simple yet powerful drink into your daily routine can be an effective strategy for weight loss. With easy-to-find ingredients that you can pick up at your local grocery store, making this drink is quick and convenient. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Start your journey to a healthier, more energetic you today with this delicious drink.